John was a successful entrepreneur who had recently moved to Canada. He had a rental property in the United States and was now trying to figure out the non-resident rental income tax filing requirements for Section 216 Canada. John knew he had to report his rental income to the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, but he wasn't sure how to go about it. He did some research and found out that he had to file a T1159 form with the CRA. He also had to include a T2062 for all dispositions with the T1159 form. John was relieved to learn that he could use the CRA's online services to file his taxes. He created a My Account with the CRA and was able to enter all the necessary information. He was also able to make payments online. John was grateful for the resources available to him and was able to successfully file his taxes on time. He was now aware of the non-resident rental income tax filing requirements for Section 216 Canada and was confident he could do it again in the future. Visit our website or call us for any questions.